So today I'm looking at PayPal. Now this stock has had a tough run for the last 2 years, falling from $3.10 to a low of $50. I want to go over 5 things you should consider before adding PayPal to your portfolio, and at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can lower your cost basis and collect income trading PayPal using Peakbot while you wait for the possible turn. Alex Chris, who replaced Dan Schulman, has more of a focus on growth opportunities like Venmo, Braintree, branded checkout, and brings years of M&A experience from Intuit. Now he is on a mission to lower costs and revamp this business. Now many times new management can be enough to change sentiment and ignite the stock with a fresh strategy. The Fed hinted they may be cutting rates in 2024. This accommodative stance could boost economic activity and lead to greater discretionary spending, which will help PayPal's total payment volume and overall revenue. Like Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful. Now this is when you have to buy stocks, when they are down and sentiment is awful. There's a ton of bad news in the stock, it's completely bombed out, and this is when you have to begin to accumulate shares. PayPal also trades at an 18 PE when the 3-year average is 40, so the stock is definitely cheap. Now while the stock is in a downtrend, signs are beginning to emerge that we may be putting in a bottom. An inverse head and shoulders, a classic trend reversal pattern, is beginning to develop. Now breaking out above the 200-day moving average would bring a ton of positive momentum in the stock, and as you can see, we have not traded above that 200-day moving average since 2021. The key level on the stock that I am watching is this $65 level, which coincides with an important swing high and that 200-day moving average. We get above 65, I think we could have a significant rally in the stock. Despite the massive size of PayPal's business, 428 million accounts, 35 million merchants, and over $1.5 trillion in annual flow of payments, there is a ton of competition from Apple Pay, Google Pay, Shopify, Affirm, and the e-commerce business has just become more challenged. This is a major pillar in the bear case. So the overall bet is that the new CEO is going to be able to discover new areas of growth and reignite the business with a fresh strategy. We'll learn more about his progress when the company reports Q4 earnings on February 7th. Now, I don't think the turn will be immediate, but I do feel a lot of bad news is in the stock and the worst may be over. Since I have a neutral to bullish view, I want to trade PayPal using the wheel, an income-based option selling strategy that earns you weekly premiums and lowers your cost basis in the process. Now, Peakbot can automate this for me 100% and save me a ton of time. I can trade PayPal using the Peakbot platform, and according to current IV, I can earn $39 per week per contract. This means that every 3 weeks, based off of a 100 share holding, I can lower my cost basis by $1. Now, once I feel the turn has arrived, I can switch to a buy and hold strategy or just continue to trade the wheel. Peakbot is currently offering a free 2-week trial. There's a link in my bio for you to give it a shot. This is a great way to get started with income-based investing and see if it's a good fit for your portfolio.